big breaking news that's coming in. Teesta Setalvad is all set to move Supreme Court, challenging the High Court order that refused to grant her bail and directed her to surrender immediately. Teesta now is seeking more legal options. She's going to be approaching the Supreme Court, and in all likelihood, there will be an urgent hearing of the matter before the Supreme Court today. Teesta Setalvad wasn't provided any relief essentially by the High Court, and she's been asked to surrender immediately as her bail has been cancelled. Let's take this across to Srishti Oja for more details. Srishti, we understand that Teesta Setalvad could approach the Supreme Court against the Gujarat High Court order. Is there going to be an urgent hearing as soon as her plea is filed?
Well, yes, Akshita, this is exclusive information that we have received from our sources that Teesta Setalvad has in fact moved the Supreme Court today against the Gujarat High Court order, which has not only rejected her plea for regular bail, but also directed her to surrender immediately in relation to the 2002 Gujarat riots case against her. Supreme Court is in all likelihood likely to hear the case today late evening. We've also been told by our sources that senior advocate Teesta Singh is likely to represent Teesta Setalvad. Well, a confirmation on that regard is something that we're waiting for, and we'll know once the hearing actually happens if the Supreme Court decides to hear the case today. We're talking about the Gujarat High Court order which denied regular bail plea to Teesta Setalvad today in relation to a police FIR that was lodged against her for allegedly fabricating certain documents to implicate government functionaries in relation to the Gujarat riots matter. We need to remember that till now, Teesta Setalvad was protected from coercive actions due to a Supreme Court order which had granted her interim bail, interim release back in September 2002. The Gujarat High Court, however, refused to grant her bail today. Not just that, the court also refused her prayer to stay the operation of that particular order for 30 days. So yes, we'll have to wait and watch what happens when the Supreme Court hears the case today, and if at all any relief is in order for Teesta Setalvad from the top court today evening.
All right, we'll track what happens. Thanks for the moment, Srishti, for joining us with those details.